Alright, listen up. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top business and marketing tools you need to succeed. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, these tools will help you streamline your operations and boost your marketing efforts. I'm not here to waste your time with fluff. I'm here to give you the raw, unfiltered truth about what it takes to actually win in today's market. You need the right arsenal, the right systems, and the right mindset to crush it. This isn't just about knowing these tools are, it's about understanding they're non-negotiable, and they're going to transform your hustle from a side project into a real thriving business. So, if you're tired of spinning your wheels and ready to get serious about your growth, about making real money, and about building something that lasts, then you're in the right damn place. Pay attention, take notes, and more importantly, get ready to implement. Let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with something absolutely foundational, a CRM. That's customer relationship management for those of you living under a rock. If you're serious about your business, a CRM isn't a nice to have. It's the heartbeat of your sales and customer interaction. It's where you store every touch point, every conversation, every little detail about your prospects and customers. Think of it as your business's external brain, meticulously remembering everything so you don't have to. You think you can remember everyone, every follow-up, every specific need of every client? You can't. Not at scale, not if you want to grow. A CRM tool is your central hub for all that gold. It's about understanding who your customers are, what they want, where they are in the buying cycle, and how you can best serve them. This isn't just about organization, it's about empathy at scale. It's about making every customer feel like they're your customer, even when you have thousands. That's the power we're talking about here, the kind of power that turns leads into loyal advocates. So, my challenge to you is this. If you don't have a CRM, get one. Yesterday. Don't skip this step. Now let's talk about something that so many gurus love to pronounce dead every other year, email marketing. And every time they do, they're dead wrong. Email isn't dead. Your email strategy is what's dead, or at least it should be. An email marketing platform is still one of the most powerful, direct, and cost-effective ways to communicate with your audience, nurture leads, and drive actual, measurable conversions. You own your email list. You don't own your social media followers. Those platforms can change algorithms or shut you down tomorrow. Your email list is an asset, a direct line. When someone gives you their email address, they're giving you permission to enter their personal digital space. That's a privilege, not a right to spam them with irrelevant garbage. A proper email marketing platform allows you to segment your audience, to send targeted messages that resonate with specific groups based on their interests, their past purchases, or where they are in your funnel. It's about delivering value, consistently. It's about building a relationship, not just blasting promotions. This is where so many people go wrong. They treat email like a megaphone instead of a conversation. Email marketing, when done right, is an absolute powerhouse for customer engagement and driving real business results. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Social media, it's a beast, right? You've got to be on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, maybe even Pinterest or Snapchat, posting consistently, engaging with comments, tracking what works. It can feel like a full-time job. This is where social media management tools come in to save your sanity and amplify your impact. Think about the sheer amount of time you could save. You can schedule all your content in advance from one dashboard. This consistency is crucial for building an audience and staying top of mind. These tools make that consistency achievable, even when you're swamped with a million other things. It's time to invest in a good management tool. Manage like the boss you are. Chapter 4. Team Chaos? Get your Shay*T together with project management software. Alright, whether you're a solo entrepreneur juggling multiple projects or leading a team, let's be honest. Things can get chaotic. Missed deadlines, miscommunication, tasks falling through the cracks, it's a recipe for stress and stalled progress. This is where project management software becomes an absolute game changer. I'm talking about tools like Asana, Trello, Monday.com, or ClickUp. These platforms are designed to bring order to the chaos, to give you clarity on who's doing what by when and how all the pieces fit together. It's about execution, plain and simple. Think of it as the central nervous system for your projects. Instead of relying on scattered emails, endless meetings, and hoping everyone is on the same page, you have a single source of truth. Tasks can be assigned, deadlines set, progress tracked, files shared, and communication streamlined all within one platform. This transparency is huge. Everyone knows what they're responsible for, what the priorities are, and how their work contributes to the bigger picture. It fosters accountability and reduces the blame game when things go sideways, because you can see the entire workflow. Stop letting disorganization be the bottleneck in your business. Chapter 5. Stop praying for traffic, dominate Google with SEO tools. Let's talk about getting found. You can have the best product, the most amazing service, the slickest website, but if nobody can find you online, you're basically invisible. And praying for people to stumble upon you isn't a strategy. This is where search engine optimization, SEO, comes in, and more specifically, the SEO tools that help you master it. I'm talking about platforms like Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz, or even Google's own free tools like Google Search Console and Keyword Planner. These are your spyglasses and your roadmaps for navigating the world of search engines. SEO can seem intimidating, like some dark art, but at its core, it's about understanding what your potential customers are searching for and making sure your content shows up as the answer. SEO tools demystify this process. They help you with keyword research, showing you what terms people are actually typing into Google, how often, and how difficult it might be to rank for those terms. This insight is crucial for creating content that actually meets a demand, instead of just guessing what people want to read or watch. Beyond keywords, these tools are vital for competitor analysis. You can see what keywords your competitors are ranking for, where they're getting their backlinks from, and what their top-performing content is. Stop treating SEO as an afterthought. Chapter 6. Data doesn't lie, use analytics or fly blind, your business depends on it. Alright, let's get real about numbers. Gut feelings are great, but for growth you need data. Without tracking, you're flying blind. Analytics tools are your mission control. They provide actionable intelligence, make data-driven decisions to scale, stop guessing and start knowing. We all know the saying, content is king, and it's truer now than ever. Creating great content consistently can be a massive time suck and a huge challenge. This is where content creation tools become your best friends. Tools like Canva, CapCut, and AI writing assistants can dramatically speed up your workflow. Stop struggling with outdated software or trying to do everything manually. Organic reach is fantastic, but it can be slow. To scale quickly, embrace advertising platforms. Giants like Facebook ads, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, and TikTok ads. These platforms offer precision targeting. Reach people based on demographics, interests, and behavior. Maximize your return on ad spend. Control your budget and test different creatives. Reach a massive, targeted audience on demand. Your e-commerce platform is your digital storefront, checkout counter, and inventory system. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Etsy, and Amazon are crucial. Choose wisely for a smooth, intuitive, and trustworthy shopping experience. Build your foundation on solid ground. Alright, we've talked about a lot of tools to manage your business, market your products, and sell online. But there's one more crucial piece of the puzzle that often gets overlooked. Actively listening to your customers. Your customers hold the keys to improving your products, your services, your marketing, and your overall customer experience. But you can't read their minds. You need customer feedback tools to systematically gather, analyze, and act on their valuable insights. This is about continuous improvement fueled by the people who matter most, your customers. Think about the different ways you can collect feedback. Surveys are a classic method, and tools like SurveyMonkey, Typeform, or even Google Forms make it easy to create and distribute them. You can ask about satisfaction with a recent purchase, suggestions for new features, or their overall perception of your brand. Then there are review platforms and widgets that allow customers to leave public feedback, which not only gives you insights but also builds social proof. Net Promoter Score (NPS) tools help you measure customer loyalty with a single powerful question. But gathering feedback is only half the battle. The real magic happens when you analyze that feedback to identify trends, common pain points, and areas of delight. Your customers have the answers, you just need the right tools and the commitment to listen. So there you have it, a deep dive into the essential tools that can absolutely transform your business. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tools to help your business grow. But listen, watching this video is just the first step. Information without execution is worthless. The real magic happens when you take what you've learned today and actually implement it. Pick one tool, just one, that you know you need and start there. Don't get overwhelmed by trying to do everything at once. See you in the next video. Let's get it.